Hi guys, this is a video for Skoda Vxr air pump, one that makes noise in the morning. What happens is them rivet break, the end of it rusts off and gets open in the middle there, starts leaking air, the seal comes out and it's just awful. So we're gonna drill 6 of them with a nut and washer on the end, Loctite, because you can't really do them up too tight because it's all plastic, it'll end up breaking. So once you took it off, from there, there's 3 bolts that are going to hold the mounting. This one, that's the mounting. Take that off. The pump's going to be held with 3 10mm nuts on it, and then you just need to disconnect them 2 air hoses and this plug here. Once you've done that, just drill the ends of the rivets out, pull the rivets out, 6 of them, and then check the seal inside the O-ring if it's alright. Put them in with 8mm. As I said, don't do them too tight because it'll crack the plastic. So just put a bit of Loctite on them, on the end, on there, and do them up just tight enough, and then put it all back together. Hopefully it will help you guys and stop that stupid noise in the morning when it's cold. This is the same for Audi, VWs, and Seats, Skodas, whatever, you name it. They all got this pump. Some of the models obviously. But yeah, that's the video for you. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.